Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel ABS, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-off headlights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.